Hi guys, how are you? I am back, and I am back with a bang. Well, the first thing I want to show you guys is how to do your brows. As you could see with the headline of this video, of course I'm not clickbaiting you, but I want to show you how to do your brows in an easy, simple step. Brows are the hardest thing to do. I really want to show you guys how you could incorporate my routine into your routine on how to do your brows, because we all have different routines on how we do our brows. So I want to show you guys how I do it. Well, first I am gonna be dipping into my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. I love this gel so much. So good. Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH Cosmetics does ship to South Africa, if you guys didn't know. So to all my South Africans out there, know this, they do ship to South Africa, so you guys can order online. And now I am just brushing the brows. I literally do not have brows. I cut them off because I really want that drag queen arch. So I try to limit them so they do not seep through and ruin my look, because honey, I have man brows and I really want them to be covered. Now they are brushed up, and I'm gonna let this dry. And next I'll be dipping into the brow pomade. I just love everything Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am just gonna take my compact mirror from Black Up just to see how I am doing everything, so I do not make a mistake. Okay guys, as you can see, I did fumble a bit. Let me try to hide it. Oh, I can't. The light is so strong and it's reflecting on my skin, because I do have oily skin, but now it just feels so dry. I do not know why, but my skin is dry at the moment. I drink lots and lots of water, right? I have the most immaculate skincare routine ever, and still, but my skin around my nose still feels dry. And guys, I do fumble a bit when I am doing my brows. Here I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown. And I am deep. I am the last shade of deep. And I swear, because I cannot, oh, I do not know why. This is the best. This is the first time my skin has ever looked great on camera, you know. But I am here for this. I am here for this. I am gonna go into the Essence Eyebrow Designer, because I know a lot of people might not afford Anastasia Beverly Hills. So guys, if you can afford it, but it's really cheap, guys. I mean, it lasts up to 6 months, even a year. I've had this brow pomade for a year right now, and honey, look at it. That must tell you something. That should tell you something, that this brow pomade lasts. I've heard people say, we use the ones from the drugstores, but they do not last. Honey, with this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, you do not need much. You do not need much. Honey, they know how to design brows, and I am here for it. And that's not because our names are Anastasia, but okay, right now, guys, as you can see, let me just zoom in a little. Okay guys, I have zoomed you guys up a little, and now we are going to start with our brows using the Essence Brow Eyebrow Designer in color 01 Black. And then we are gonna start up here, up in the front, and we are just gonna do hair strokes, hair strokes, guys. Do not forget that. Look at that. I am gonna show you how to do this, guys. I fumble a bit but I always clean it up with concealer. Look at that arch. It went up and now it looks like I have brows. Can you guys see? It's like they're laminated. And just continue doing that. Of course, we will clean it up. Cleaning up my brows, I love using 4 concealers sometimes maybe more. But my favorite brow concealers are Vevlin, Color Stay Concealer, Smashbox, and Infallible, and the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with the MAC, but this is the foundation, cream to powder foundation, right here. But first, we are going to go in there. I cannot see, and I always make that mistake, guys. Do not be like me. Do not be like me. And this one is much nicer, but the camera isn't doing it justice. Maybe it's because I'm filming with my iPhone. Right now, I went in with the lightest color right there on the arch because we want to replicate this arch first. This will not be perfect, but I am going to show you. But did you see how I used my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel? I just colored in my brow, just like simple hair strokes. And even if you saturated it all throughout, you can use your concealer to clean up right here and go in like that. Always bringing your concealer down. And then next, I am going to dip into the Smashbox concealer. And I also have a Rimmel golden color concealer right here for my eyes. Honey, who are you? Okay, now it's nice. And then I'm gonna use the MAC Cream to Powder foundation over the top of my brow. I'm setting the concealer for my eyeshadow. Then going in with the Estee Lauder Hydra Futurista foundation. Don't forget to blend the foundation. Concealers that I showed you guys, so I can start my powder and set my whole face. That's it to my brow tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and come back for the next video. Mwah.